Hi, I'm Scott, your Get Setup Guide. Are photos piling up on your smartphone or iPad? Are you avoiding the task of organizing them or getting them off your mobile device so they don't take up so much memory? Well, you may not know that Google has a Photos app that will do all that work for you automatically. In this class, I'll show you how Google Photos tags and categorizes each photo for you so you can search and find it just by typing in a keyword or two. You'll see how you can set up customized photo albums, and I'll even show you how to use the facial recognition technology in Google Photos to quickly find pictures of loved ones. One learner, Carol, said, I fumbled around in Google Albums for a while, learning the hard way. This class helped smooth out the bumps and provided a chance to ask specific questions. So if you're looking for an easy way to manage your stockpile of digital photos, you'll want to check out this class. I hope you'll join me.